Hello my dear student, good morning and welcome back. Today I'm gonna talk about Unit 13 Lesson 1. Okay, this unit also about present simple. We talked about that present simple that we have three forms of verbs. We have sentence, we have positive, negative and question. We talked about positive and negative. Now we will talk about question. Okay, please be with me and listen to me. Open your book, page 43. Okay, we have some animals like tiger, elephant, monkey, lion, snake and panda. Okay, we have tiger, elephant, monkey, lion, snake and panda. If I say, I should say what? I like panda. I like panda. For negative, I don't like snake. I don't like snake. For question, do you like lion? Do you like lion? For I, we, you, they, we use, we don't put is or es to the verb. The verb should be verb based. But for he, she, it, we put is or es to the verb. Okay? And we use thus for he, she, it. Okay? I don't like snakes. I like tigers. Okay? Okay, lesson 2. We have some pictures. Okay, let me read. Do you like tigers? It's a question. We know that it's a question because we have do at the beginning of the sentence, and we have subject, we have verb base, and we have tiger, and we have question mark. Look at the verb. We don't put anything to the verb. Okay, and the answer for this question, it will be shorter, like yes I do or no I don't. Okay, do you like snakes? No, I don't. Okay, these animals. Do you like tigers? Yes I do. Do you like tigers? No I don't. Okay, and we have this unit, lesson 3. We have some words. Say the words with the same sound. You can say 2 words or 1 word, like this one. We have car and we have guitar. Guitar like the sound car. Okay, train like plane. Bag, van or cat. Hair, chair. Okay, and this one we have some words. You can ask anything. Do you tidy your room? Yes I do. Do you play computer games? No I don't. Or yes I do. Do you make your bed? Yes I do. Do you like elephants? Yes I do. Or no I don't. Okay, this is about do. Okay, do, we have do at the beginning of the sentence, just for I, we, you, they and 2 names. Okay, and also this unit 14 is about also present simple, but for the subject, if the subject he, she, it, we use does for the verb. Okay, let me show you. We have does at the beginning of the sentence. We have subject, we have verb base, and we have complement, and finally we have question mark. Please don't forget question mark. Okay, does she like apple? Yes she does, or no she doesn't. Okay, we have like verb base. Okay, we don't put is or es to the verb because we have does. If we hide this does, the sentence should be she likes apple for positive sentence, and for negative sentence she doesn't like apple. We put doesn't. Okay, we put doesn't between subject And does he get up late? Does he get up late? Okay, we have does also, and the verb should be verb base. If we hide this does, the sentence it will be he gets up late for the positive sentence. If we make it to negative, it will be he doesn't get up late. Okay, he doesn't get up late for the negative sentence. Okay, and this unit also we have some places like school, park, hospital, shopping mall, restaurant, market, and house. Okay, school, park, hospital, shopping mall, restaurant, market, and house. Okay. Okay, and this unit also we have does because we have he, she, it, and one name. Okay, this one is about does. Does your father work in a school? It's a question. We have does because your father is one person. Your father, your mother, your brother, your sister. It's one name. Okay. Does your father work in a school? We said that with one name, and with he, she, it, we use does for the sentence. Okay, for question we put does at the beginning, and for negative we put doesn't between subject and between verb. Okay, look at the verb. We have work, we have verb base. We don't put s or es to the verb because we have does. Okay, this is the question sentence. If we make it to positive, it will be your father works in a school. Your father works. Okay, we put s to the verb. If we make it this sentence to negative, it will be your father doesn't work. Your father doesn't work. Okay, we don't put s or es to the verb because we have doesn't. If we have doesn't for negative and does for question, we don't put s or es to the verb. Okay, and the answer it will be shorter. Yes, he does, or no, he doesn't. He's a chef. Okay. Does he work in a restaurant? Does he work in a restaurant? Also, we have work because we have does for the verb. For the sentence, we don't put s or es to the verb. Yes, he does. He works. And look at the verb. We put s to the verb because we have he, and we don't have doesn't or does for the question in this restaurant. Okay, this is Ricky Robot. Look at him, he's new. Does he speak English? Yes, he does. That's good. Does he say please and thank you? No, he doesn't. That's not good. He's clever, but he's very, very rude. Okay. Also, we have Unit 14, Lesson 3. Also, we have some words. You can say words or one word with the same sound. Okay, we have desk, like desk, we have pen. Okay, if we have e, desk, pen, or bed. Tree, like what? Free or green. Free. Mother, like brother or like father. They, gray. Okay, they, gray. Where, there. Where, there. Okay. Ask and answer. This is ask and answer the question. I get up at 8:15. I go to school at 9 o'clock. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. Does he go to school at 9 o'clock? Look at the verb. Okay, we have go because we have does. We don't put is or es to the verb. Be attention about this one, okay? Soma, do you like kebabs? We have one person. If you ask the person Does your brother like kebabs? This is your brother. We put does for your brother, okay? Does your brother like kebab? Look at this one. Do you? We have you should say do. And we have your brother, it means one person, you should say does. Does your brother like kebabs? No, he doesn't. Do you like pizza? Do you like pizza? Okay, we have you should say do. Do you like pizzas? Yes, I do. My brother likes pizza too. Okay, this is revision and you can ask this one, okay, too. I hope you get benefit from this video and thank you for watching. Goodbye.